Hey there. In today's video, I am going to talk about unary operators in Python. There are two unary operators in Python, not and a bitwise not. I have covered not as part of logical or boolean operator and bitwise not as bit in the bitwise operator series. But here I am going to talk a little bit more about the logical not, which is most commonly used. Now, what are unary operators? First thing, if we have noticed, all these operators like arithmetic, assignment, comparison, relational, all these operators, they take two operands, one on their left hand side and another on their right hand side, and only then they give you a result. For example, if I talk about arithmetic operator, 2 plus 3. So here there are two operands on the each side of plus sign, that is 2 and 3. Assignment operator, a is equal to 5. Again we have got two operands on each side of equal to sign, a and 5. But on the other hand, unary operators, they take only one operand and work upon them, and that's why the name unary. Let me jump to my Jupyter notebook and then show it to you how. If I try to write here print true, then it is going to print me true. But if I write here print not true, now I am getting false. So that is quite obvious. If something which is not true is false. So note here, not is taking only one operand true, no two operands. Similarly, if I try to print here print not false, it is going to give me true. Something which is not false is true. Now let us see some practical examples of logical not operator. For example, if you want to check if a given list is empty or not, which means that it has got any elements or not. Let me define an empty list first. The bool value for empty list is always false. So I can write here if not list. What does it mean? It means that list is empty. Here you see the bool value for an empty list is false. You can check it like here. If I come over here and print right here print bool lst, here you will be getting false. So what I am writing here is that if not false, which means true, just like this line here. Not true is false and not false is true. So what I am writing here is that if not false, which means true, which is not the case. Therefore I am getting a print here, list is empty. Else we can write print list is not empty. Let me put some elements over here now, 1 2 3. Now you can see it here, list is not empty. One more practical example. For example, if you are looping through and you have got something that you want to accept from user and you do not want that field to be empty, then again you can here use something like this. I am going to define here just to create a scenario, name is equal to an empty string, and I am going to say while not name. So name is equal to input, enter your name. If they have put in their name, then you are going to print a welcome message, welcome name. Now here let me make these three lines of code first a comment, and if I just go and print the bool value of this variable called name, you will find it is false. With this background, now I am going to uncomment these three lines. What these three lines are going to do, it is going to create an infinite loop till the time user does not enter the name here or some character here. If I just press here simply enter, here you see enter your name, it will keep popping it. Like if I say here Tom, okay, welcome Tom. So again that is a use of not. You can create a loop thing. Now bitwise not operator. What does bitwise operator do? Bitwise operators, they always work upon binary numbers. I have already created two detailed videos on all the bitwise operators. Therefore, I am not going to go much into details here. I will share the link for bitwise not operator as an icon up above. You can click on that and check the video out. Bitwise not operator is represented using this tilde. Where do you find this sign? If you press shift and it is just below the escape key on your keyboard, on the standard keyboard layout if I'm talking about. So what does it do? It flips or it inverts the digits of the binary number. So if binary number, for example, if binary number is 1010, then it is going to convert it into 1010 to 0101. So if I say something like this, a is equal to 5, and if I say print here a, I am going to get -6. How does it is giving me -6? As I said earlier, you can go and watch the bitwise not operator series video. I have already explained it in very detail there. In a nutshell, you can simply understand here that whatever the number is supplied here, it will increase it by 1 and prefix it with a negative sign. If I change this number to 7, I will be getting -8, -8 here. If I change it to 11, then -12. So that was all about the unary operators. These are going to take only one operands, not two operands, and that is why they are called unary operators, as I said in the beginning. I am going to upload all these examples onto the Git page, and I will put the link into the description box. You can check them out. If you find this video useful, consider giving it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Till that time, happy coding.